Hello Internet! Today we're going to install Python. Without further ado, let's get started! First, we will go to the official Python website. At the time of this recording, there are two versions of Python, Python 2.7 and Python 3.8. For this course, we're going to use Python 3.8. So we will click on download. In order to download the file, we will click on Save File, and we will go to the download section. We will double click on the executable. Now we will click on Add Python 3.8 to Path. All that it means is that when we want to run a Python program, the operative system will know how to run it. Now we will click on Install Now. Then we will click on Yes. And we will wait until the program completes installing. The process can take some time depending on your operative system, so please be patient. We are almost done, and we will click on Close the program. Let's test our results. Let's look for the Python 3.8 installation, and what we want to look for is the IDE called idle. We will double click, and once it opens, we're going to create one of the simplest programs possible, which is a Hello World program. So we will type the following. We'll write print, open parenthesis, open quotation, hello world, exclamation mark. We close the quotation, we close the parenthesis, and then we will click enter, and as we can see, the program has written hello world, which is what we want. So there you go. Now we're going to save our script for later execution, so we will click Save As or Control-Shift-S. We will save the program and we will call it Hello World. Let's save it on our desktop. We'll call it Hello World. We click Save, and as we could see, let's close this here, our script was created. So at this point we have to edit it because it will not work as we intended. We have to eliminate all of the unnecessary text. So we eliminate the text here, all of that unnecessary text. We will just leave the print hello world. And one important step is that we will have to pause the program for input. So we'll write input, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. This is very important, otherwise the program will stop executing without waiting for the user. We'll click Save or Control S. We close the program and let's run it. And as we can see, the program has printed hello world. Not bad. Now we will talk about a very important topic. So let's go to idle, edit with idle again, edit with idle, and we're going to talk about comments. Comments are extremely useful in programming. Comments are just instructions that are not going to be executed by the program. Those are used for the users, for them to understand. So let's print, this is a hello world program. And it's very important whenever we have programs that we write good comments. Those will help us or help other users understand what the program does or what sections of the code will do. So let's open it again, and as we could see, the comments did not show up only the hello world text. Now, something really important, let's go to edit idle again, edit idle. We can also comment certain sections of the code. Let's comment out the input section and see what happens. We predict that once we try to run it, the program will close automatically because it will not have anything stopping it. So let's save it and see what happens. We could either do Control S or we could close it as we did it before. Okay, so let's run the program again by double clicking on the file. And as we could see, it closed automatically, just as we predicted. Let's fix that. Let's go to Edit with Idle. And now let's get rid of that comment. And let's run it Control S, or we could do click and then save. Let's close it again. And let's run to see. And as we could see, now our program is working as intended. If you have found the video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!